Closing a trade in MetaTrader 4 is a straightforward process. First, you need to open the platform and locate the Trade tab at the bottom of your screen. This tab displays all your open trades, allowing you to see the current status of each one. Once you find the trade you intend to close, take note of its details, such as profit and loss. To close the trade, right-click on the specific trade line in the Trade tab. A context menu will appear, providing you with several options. Click on the Close Order option to proceed. Alternatively, you can also double-click on the trade line, which will open the order window. From there, you can see the Close button in the window, indicating you can finalize the closing process. After clicking Close Order, another window will pop up confirming the action before it is finalized. Here, you can review any last details regarding the trade. Make sure you are satisfied with the current profit or loss displayed, and confirm the closing action by clicking the Close button in this window. The trade will then be closed, and a confirmation message will appear showing the outcome of your action. Lastly, once the trade is closed, you can find the closed trade listed in the Account History tab, which gives you a summary of past transactions. It is crucial to check this section to keep track of your trading performance over time. Knowing how to close a trade properly is an essential skill for any trader using MetaTrader 4.